Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and save snaps to camera roll without them knowing. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, what you're gonna do, simply gonna go ahead first, access your particular Snapchat, and here in this section you're gonna find this like a little message icon, right? So if you wanna somebody have sent you a snap or somebody's story and stuff, if you wanna take that snap screenshot or screen recording or anything, you won't be able to, because that actually notifies a person and they will just like know it and you won't be able to do it. And that is actually for the privacy concern as well. Same goes for you as well. If you have sent something added in your stories and somebody takes a screenshot, if so, it's for a privacy concerns. But if you really wanna, it's like if you really want to keep a screenshot, just want to save it, just use another phone for the reason, and while you're playing or watching that particular photo, video or story, simply click a picture and do the video with another phone. That is the way you will be able to do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.